Got a broken air conditioner on the hottest day of summer? Or is your heating just not doing its job during those chilly nights? Champion Heating and Air is ready to jump in and make things comfortable again. From reliable air conditioning repair and heating solutions to seamless HVAC installation and maintenance, we've got your back. Whether it's a quick AC fix or a complete furnace replacement, our team ensures a smooth process. So why wait? Call us today and let's make your home the perfect temperature, no sweat involved.